Ready to upgrade your bathroom with gadgets you'll wish you had years ago? These highly useful Amazon finds are designed to add comfort, save time, and make your daily routine smoother than ever. From smart organizers to clever hygiene upgrades, they instantly improve the way your bathroom works. Check the links in the description to grab yours. Your mirror just got a serious upgrade. This smart vanity doubles as a full touchscreen TV hidden behind the glass. Turn it on and you can stream shows, check the weather, or play music while getting ready. Anti-fog tech keeps your reflection crystal clear even after hot showers. With adjustable lighting from warm to cool, you always get the perfect view for makeup or grooming. Take your phone into the shower safely. This waterproof phone holder protects your device while letting you watch videos, listen to music, or scroll social media. Its 480-degree rotation and adjustable angle put your screen exactly where you want it. The clear TPU cover keeps touch sensitivity and Face ID fully functional. Easy to mount with strong adhesive hooks, it works on walls, mirrors, or even bathtubs, making your shower time both fun and hands-free. Laundry day doesn't have to be a chore. This compact clothes dryer fits on a table or counter, making it perfect for small spaces like apartments or dorms. It spins and reverses to dry clothes evenly, keeping them fluffy and wrinkle-free. Multiple sensors adjust time and temperature automatically, and special modes handle delicate fabrics or even shoes. Touchscreen controls make it easy to choose the perfect setting, so drying is simple, fast, and hassle-free. So if you want effortless laundry, scan the QR on screen. Your bathroom just stepped into the future. This smart toilet opens and closes automatically and flushes hands-free, so you never have to touch a thing. You get a heated seat, warm water cleansing, and adjustable comfort that adapts to the room around you. A foam layer reduces splashing and odors, keeping everything cleaner with less effort. Add soft ambient lighting and quiet operation, and you've got a daily routine that feels more like a private spa than a bathroom. Step up your shower routine with this no-drill suction cup footrest, perfect for shaving legs safely and comfortably. The strong suction cups and textured platform keep your feet secure, even on wet surfaces. Its ergonomic design and contoured handles support posture and balance, while the compact, lightweight build makes it easy to move or store. Made from durable PP plastic, it supports up to 300 pounds for reliable daily use. Say goodbye to scooping forever. This self-cleaning litter box automatically detects when your cat's done and quietly cleans up right after. Waste is sealed in an odor-proof compartment, keeping your home fresh and spotless. Dual sensors ensure your cat's safety, while the app lets you monitor, schedule, and control cleaning from anywhere. Laundry day just got a whole lot easier. This portable mini washing machine scrubs clothes automatically, perfect for baby clothes, underwear, and small laundry loads. Foldable and lightweight, it fits neatly in apartments, dorms, or even travel bags. Simple timers let you choose how long to wash, while safe materials keep your clothes and family healthy. Compact, efficient, and hassle-free, it's ideal for small spaces and busy lives. Here's a smarter way to keep your bathroom tidy. This wall-mounted toothbrush holder keeps everything in one neat spot. Your brushes, toothpaste, razors, even combs. The built-in dispenser gives you the perfect amount of toothpaste every time, no waste or mess. It installs easily without drilling, and the upside-down cups keep everything dry and dust-free. Tight on space, but need more storage? This slim 4-tier cabinet slides perfectly into narrow corners, giving you instant room for towels, toiletries, and cleaning supplies. It arrives fully assembled, no tools, no stress. The waterproof design keeps everything dry, while the wheels make it easy to move wherever you need. Clear drawers and a built-in toilet paper holder make staying organized effortless and neat. Your shower clutter finally has a home. This clear suction shower caddy sticks firmly to smooth walls with no drilling and no damage. You get a roomy shelf for bottles, plus movable hooks for razors, loofahs, or towels. It snaps on in seconds and stays put, even in steamy bathrooms. Simple, sturdy, and easy to move whenever you want a refresh. Upgrade your sink with this 1080-degree swivel faucet extender that makes washing hands, face, hair, or dishes effortless. Its 3-joint, 360-degree rotation design reaches tricky corners, while the foldable robotic arm saves space. Switch between bubble and power shower modes for gentle rinsing or powerful cleaning. Made from brass and ABS with a triple-layer splash filter, it's durable, anti-rust, and hygienic. Easy to install with multiple thread sizes and included tools. Keep your countertop dry without lifting a finger. This large stone drying mat soaks up water instantly thanks to its super absorbent diatomaceous earth surface. It's perfect for dishes, plants, pets, or even as a heat-resistant pad. Foldable and compact, it tucks away easily when not in use. The dark gray color hides stains, so it always looks clean and sleek on your kitchen counter. Wrinkles don't stand a chance with this mini 2-in-1 travel steamer and iron. Use it as a regular iron or switch to steam mode for faster, gentler results on any fabric. It heats up in just 5 seconds, so your clothes are ready almost instantly. Compact and lightweight, it fits perfectly in luggage or backpacks for travel, dorms, or home use. Ergonomic design and a large water tank make ironing effortless and convenient wherever you go. If reaching your back feels like trying to wash a spot on another planet, this wall-mounted scrubber fixes that instantly. It rotates on its own, covering hard-to-reach areas without you lifting a finger. An adaptive sensor adjusts the speed as soon as it feels pressure, so the scrubbing always feels just right. You get multiple brush heads for exfoliating, cleansing, and boosting lather. And with waterproof construction and long battery life, you just step in, press a button, and let it do the work for you. Say goodbye to scrubbing and soggy brushes. This electric makeup brush cleaner washes, spins, and dries your brushes automatically. The high-speed motor and silicone bowl remove almost all makeup residue while keeping bristles soft and safe. One-button operation makes it effortless. Just plug in and watch it work. With timed drying, your brushes come out clean, dry, and ready for flawless makeup every time. Upgrade your bathroom comfort with this soft, O-shaped toilet seat cushion. Made from waterproof EVA, it adds a gentle layer for a more pleasant experience every time. Quick and easy to install, it fits most standard toilet seats without hassle. Durable and hygienic, it protects the seat while staying easy to clean. The stylish blue color adds a fresh touch to your bathroom decor. So if you want a cozier bathroom experience, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Keep your smile fresh, no matter where you are. This portable floss dispenser pops out a floss pick with a simple press, keeping each one clean and hygienic. The tough food-grade floss gently removes debris without hurting your teeth, while the comfortable handle makes cleaning effortless. Refillable and reusable, it's perfect for home, travel, or on-the-go use. Compact and pocket-friendly, you can maintain your oral care anytime, anywhere. Washing your hands just got a futuristic twist. This automatic foaming soap dispenser works completely touch-free, giving you instant foam in just a quarter of a second. The LED display shows the time, battery, and settings, so it's smart and stylish. You can adjust the foam amount, recharge it easily, and mount it anywhere. Clean hands, no mess, no effort, just wave and go. Say goodbye to messy hands and smelly trash. This smart trash can open with just a wave of your hand or a knee bump, keeping everything touch-free. When it's full, the self-sealing system packs your garbage automatically so you never have to touch it. Even better, it swaps in a fresh bag for you, saving time and effort every single day. With included refill rings and helpful voice prompts, it's a tidy, hands-free solution for any room. Turn your bathroom into a spa retreat. This 8-bar heated towel rack warms your towels evenly, giving you that fresh from the dryer comfort every time you step out of the shower. It heats up fast, holds multiple towels, and includes an automatic shutoff for safety. You can mount it on the wall and plug it in, or hardwire it for a seamless look. Sleek, matte black stainless steel adds a touch of modern luxury to any space. Turn any bathroom into your personal spa. This inflatable hot tub sets up in minutes and folds away when not in use. Soft air cushions and padded bottoms keep you comfortable, while the waterproof design holds up to 100 kilograms. Lightweight and portable, you can enjoy a relaxing soak anywhere, even small bathrooms. 5-layer insulation keeps the water warm, so your soak stays cozy for hours. Ironing no longer needs a whole room. This compact folding tabletop ironing board gives you a full, sturdy surface without the bulky setup. It folds down neatly and even includes a built-in spot to safely rest your iron when you're done. You can mount it on a wall or door, keeping everything off the floor and easy to grab. It's perfect when you want quick, wrinkle-free clothes without dragging out a full-size board. Night trips to the bathroom just got a fun upgrade. This motion-activated toilet light switches on automatically when you walk in, softly illuminating the bowl so you never have to fumble in the dark again. Choose from 8 glowing colors, or let them rotate for a playful rainbow effect. It installs in seconds with a flexible arm that fits any toilet. Kids love it, and adults secretly do too. Transform your utility room from cluttered to completely organized with smart storage solutions for every item. Tall units keep bulky things like vacuums, ladders, and drying racks out of the way, while clear containers on shelves let you spot what you need instantly. Smaller drawers maximize vertical space, and open shelving with wicker baskets keeps everyday essentials tidy and within reach. Stylish, practical, and organized, everything has its place, making chores effortless. Waking up to sunlight just got smarter. This automatic curtain opener attaches to your existing rod and opens or closes your curtains for you. You can control it from your phone, a remote, or even your voice, so getting out of bed is optional. The motor is strong enough for thick curtains and runs quietly so it won't disturb your sleep. It installs in minutes with no tools and turns any room into a hands-free smart space. Turn any space into your personal spa with this portable, foldable bathtub. It's big enough to stretch out and relax, yet folds down small for easy storage and transport. You can enjoy hot baths to melt stress or icy plunges to refresh and recover after workouts. The insulated design keeps water hot or cold longer, while the quick drain system makes cleanup a breeze. Perfect for indoor or outdoor use, it's comfort and convenience all in one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.